You are going to love the 2016 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, cruise control, power brakes, heated steering wheel, power windows, compass, trip odometer, airbags, front, center. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.